This is a food chopper that helps you cut down on prep time. With its efficient stainless steel blades, just press down and it quickly chops onions, garlic, and more. No knife skills required. Its design minimizes the risk of injury since you don't have to handle sharp blades made from quality materials. It's easy to use and comes with an instruction manual for guidance. This smart coffee table is more than just a place to rest your drinks. It's a multifunctional entertainment center. The built-in refrigerator keeps your beverages and snacks cool, while the dual Bluetooth speakers provide high-quality audio for your entertainment. The RGB lights add a touch of ambience, syncing with your music for a dynamic visual experience. The table also features a wireless charging pad, USB ports, and power sockets, keeping your devices powered up and ready to go. The tempered glass top is easy to clean and the removable drawers provide convenient storage. This smart RGB IC table lamp offers voice control with Alexa and Google Assistant compatibility. It features 43 scene modes, music syncing with a built-in mic, and customizable DIY lighting options. Through the app, you can dim or schedule the lamp to fit moods or routines, making it suitable for bedroom decor, gatherings, or relaxation. The sleek design includes intuitive controls and color-changing effects to enhance any space. This microchip pet door uses RFID technology to allow your pet entry without letting in strays. It scans on entry only and supports up to 32 unique microchip IDs or programmable collar tags. The door allows setting curfew times and restricts entry only to your pet. It works with microchip numbers 9, 10, and 15 digits. The flap opening measures 17 cm by 18 cm and installs in doors, windows, or walls. This 10-cup drip coffee maker offers customizable brew strength with 4 modes: gold, light, medium, and bold. It features auto brew, allowing you to wake up to fresh coffee at your preferred time. Wi-Fi enabled with voice brew compatibility using Alexa or Google Home. It connects to the Smart HQ app for convenient control. The design ensures barista quality coffee and precision temperature control. Maintains optimal brewing conditions. This electric standing desk offers smooth height adjustments from 28.35 inches to 46.46 inches with 3 programmable memory settings built with a sturdy steel frame and aerospace-grade lifting connectors for stability even at full height. It features a powerful motor for reliable and quiet performance. Assembly is straightforward, with fewer steps and minimal effort. This is a vintage-style nightlight that brings a rustic Middle Ages-inspired touch to your space. With its minimalist black cylindrical frame, it features a light sensor that automatically turns the light on at night and off during the day. For convenience, the brightness is adjustable from 0 to 100 lumens, allowing you to customize the light level to suit your needs. The soft light is gentle on the eyes, making it great for bedrooms, bathrooms, and other areas. This thermal camera transforms your smartphone or tablet into a powerful tool for detecting heat-related issues. See problems invisible to the naked eye, such as energy loss, electrical faults, and water damage. With a detection range of up to 1,000 feet, this camera is ideal for homeowners, contractors, and engineers. It captures photos and videos, offers multiple color palettes, and provides spot temperature readings. The included waterproof case and free mobile app enhance its versatility and ease of use. This treat-dispensing pet toy engages your pet's mind and body while rewarding them with tasty treats. The Wicked Egg challenges your dog to solve puzzles to access the treats, promoting brain development and improving intelligence. With 3 difficulty levels, you can customize the challenge to suit your pet's abilities. Interactive lights and sounds add to the fun, while the replaceable shell ensures long-lasting use. The toy automatically pauses after 10 minutes of play, encouraging a healthy play. Rest balance. This recliner chair lifts and reclines with electric controls, helping the elderly or injured stand or lie down easily. It has heating and vibration massage with 4 points targeting the back, waist, thighs, and legs to relieve fatigue. Designed with 2 side pockets, a USB charging port, and 2 cup holders for convenience, the chair has a supportive ergonomic design with thick cushioning, a wide backrest and padded armrest for comfort. If you're tired of cleaning your cat's litter box, this automatic option could make your life easier. You can control and monitor it remotely through an app, keeping track of your cat's usage and ensuring everything stays clean. It can handle multiple cats and offers odor control so your home stays fresh. The litter box includes safety sensors that pause cleaning until your pet leaves, making sure it's stress-free for your cat. This is a set of under-cabinet lights that you can control with your voice using Alexa or Google Assistant. You can also manage the lights from anywhere with the app, adjusting brightness, setting schedules, and choosing from 16 million colors. The grouping feature lets you control multiple lights at once with a single command. Installation is simple and tool-free, and it won't damage your cabinets or furniture. This is a desk lamp that offers more than just lighting. It comes with a wireless charging station, a USB port, and even a phone holder, making it handy for keeping your devices powered. You can also check the time, date, and temperature on its smart LCD display. The lamp has 3 lighting modes and 5 brightness levels so you can adjust it to your needs. This USB desk fan delivers a powerful cooling breeze right to your desktop. Its 5-inch blades generate impressive airflow, keeping you comfortable during long work sessions or hot summer days. Choose from 3 wind speeds to customize your cooling experience, from a gentle whisper to a refreshing gust. The brushless motor ensures ultra-quiet operation so you can focus on your work or relax without distracting noise. Compact and lightweight, it's perfect for any desk, bedside, table, or small space. The 108° adjustable wind angle allows you to direct the airflow precisely where you need it. This smart notebook bridges the gap between traditional note-taking and the digital world. Write your notes on the special encoded paper with the included smart pen and watch as your handwritten notes instantly appear on your smartphone or tablet. The companion app allows you to edit, organize, and share your notes digitally, convert your handwriting to text, add color, and even export your notes to Microsoft Word or PowerPoint. This smart notebook combines the classic Moleskine feel with the convenience of digital organization. This is a Biden attachment that features dual spray nozzles offering front and rear cleaning options for both men and women. It has a self-cleaning function, keeping the nozzles sanitary by retracting and protecting them after each use. The water pressure control knob allows you to adjust the spray to your preferred level of comfort. The installation is quick and easy, requiring no professional help, and it fits most standard 2-piece toilets. This is an indoor garden featuring a smart hydroponic system controlled by the app, making it easy to adjust the LED lighting schedule and set watering reminders. The 24-watt full-spectrum LED system promotes faster plant growth, helping your plants grow up to 40% quicker than traditional methods. It offers 2 professional growing modes, allowing you to tailor the light to your plant's needs, whether for vegetative growth or blooming. This bike desk combines exercise with productivity, offering a stationary bike and a secure workspace for your laptop or tablet. The magnetic resistance system adjusts for different workout levels, while the performance meter tracks calories and distance-adjustable supports, and a comfortable seat make it easy to use for extended periods. The non-slip desk surface keeps everything in place, letting you stay active while working or studying, at home or in the office.